Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert mono to stereo or stereo to mono in Premiere Pro. So where I've watched an old video on YouTube later in the past about this, and if you right click you can select here auto channels or audio channels, and then here you can change this, but you can't. So recently I came across this issue again. I had like a mono I wanted to change to stereo, and I found the solution, guys. So what in fact you have to do, instead of going here and select right click and then select audio channels, instead of doing that you're gonna have to go. And also, if you're asking, if you're like, why did this layout looks different than mine, I've just selected I've just selected here the edit audio instead of essentials, but I'm gonna click on essentials here, so it's the same like yours. And now here, if I go to project and I click on this project, okay, I'll just delete this here, and I have this video here, and I can click to modify audio channels, and now here clip channel format, you can change from mono to stereo. So now it works without any issue. I'm also going to use these channels and left and right, so now it just works. Now I can drag and drop this here, and it's just going to work just fine. I actually can delete this because I don't need to. But that's basically what you're gonna have to do here. We number of audio clips, can actually click on here, 1. Now I have left and right stereo. You can also change from mono to stereo, and you can click on OK now. And yeah, if you want to see the results, you're gonna have to just delete this video. Let's say you want to change from stereo to mono, maybe other way around, you're just gonna have to delete that video and just go back here and go to modify audio channels and change maybe now to mono, back to mono. I wish I knew this before, but yeah, at least you're gonna learn this. So I hope you learned this and you found this helpful. Subscribe for more, I really appreciate it, and like this video. And if you have more suggestions, things that you came across in Premiere Pro that you don't know how to do, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching and take care.